Hey there, sun-loving parents. Today, we're unboxing something that's not only going to protect your little one from the sun but also keep them looking absolutely adorable. The FURTALK Baby Sun Hat with Smile Face. This isn't just any hat. It's a fun and functional way to keep your baby's delicate skin safe while they play outside. So let's dive in and see what makes this hat a must-have for every parent. Wow, look at this. The first thing you notice is how lightweight it is. The fabric is a blend of polyester and cotton, which means it's super breathable and soft, perfect for keeping your little one cool and comfy during those warm, sunny days. That I love the playful smiley face on the front. It's just too cute. Here's something I really appreciate as a grandma. The adjustable size. This hat is designed to grow with your baby, so you don't have to keep buying new ones every few months. It has an elastic adjustment buckle at the back to fit babies from 6 to 24 months and even up to 5 years. Plus, the chin strap is adjustable too, making sure the hat stays on, even if your little explorer is on the move. And get this, it's UPF 50+ rated, offering top-notch protection for your baby's head, face, and neck from harmful sun rays. Talk about peace of mind when you're out at the park, the beach, or even just in the backyard. How adorable is this? It fits perfectly, and my granddaughter seems super comfortable. The fabric is soft against their skin, and the adjustable strap means I can make sure it's snug but not too tight. I'm definitely impressed with how easy it is to get the right fit. Alright parents, if you're looking for a hat that combines style, comfort, and serious sun protection, the FURTALK Baby Sun Hat is a total winner. Whether you're heading to the beach, the park, or just enjoying a sunny day, this hat will keep your baby safe and happy. And honestly, who can resist that adorable smiley face?